Hello YouTube, this is going to be a video of my Braun folding LED flashlight that's rechargeable that I bought at Harbor Freight. This flashlight, I'm currently using a flash on my phone so you could actually see it. I'm going to show you how bright the light is and how somewhat good quality the actual light is. But let's make my review. I got this new one because I bought the extended warranty, and after 11 months of owning it, it broke on me. Basically, you could unscrew this back part over here, and you could replace the cell in it. And I bought a spare cell on Amazon, an actual Samsung cell. It was pretty expensive. It was like $15 for the cell. And the original cell that was in here on full brightness gave me just over an hour of brightness, maybe an hour and 15 minutes. And the Samsung cell gave me about 2.5 hours of brightness. And basically, I used the original cell and then I unscrewed it, put the Samsung cell in, I used it till its battery's dead. And you recharge it with a little port in the back here, which is quite nice. You could take this little cover off and it glows red when it's charging and green when it's fully charged. And I haven't had any problems with that. It charged the batteries and it worked perfectly. The only problem is this part on my old flashlight. The threads are coarse threads and they're pretty coarse, and there are only like 3 or 4, and they stripped out and it wouldn't hold anymore. I had to have duct tape holding this part to squeeze the battery to get the light to work. So yeah, that light was finished. But actual quality of the light is pretty good. It's got a little light on top, so you could point it into gas tanks and stuff, and like on small engines. It's really useful to just stick in something and get light where you wouldn't normally get it. It would be nice if it was flexible. I'm not sure if they're going to make a version or if there is another company that makes a version with a flexible head like this. But that's nice for seeing into things, and the rest of the light is pretty bright for what it is. Very light and has a magnetic base, and you could tilt it, and besides for tilting it, you could twist it back and forth, and it's a really nice light. Besides for that defect over there, I don't know if it'll happen again, but I'm not planning on replacing the cell until it dies on this light, because I didn't get the warranty this time. So yeah, let's turn my flash off. How do you turn the flash off? Huh. Oh wait, is that it? There. Oh, no, that's in camera. Okay, anyways, I can't turn the flash off, but I'll show you. This is the flash. Oh, there's the flash button. Okay. There we go. Flash off. This is just a flashlight. It is that bright. It's bright. Lights up the whole garage. And then that's the brightest light setting. This is the second setting. There we go. Second setting. Still pretty bright. And then now 3 clicks. This is the light over here, which is also still pretty bright. It's about the second setting brightness, but it's only coming from a few LEDs. And this is very nice to stick into tanks. So yeah, that's this flashlight review. I've owned it for about, again, 11 months maybe. I've owned this one, not this one. They changed the model number on the flashlight now, but this one's model number is now 368682021. Serial number, I guess. Oh, model number is 56329. So yeah, they constantly change at Harbor Freight. They change the model numbers on them. But yeah, this light itself, it feels nice in the hand. It's pretty light, very bright for what it is. Magnetic base, twist, tilts, all that's good. But this part strips out, and if you don't buy the warranty and you plan on ever replacing the battery, it's probably going to strip out on you, and then you're screwed out of your, depending if you get it on sale or not, between $20 and $40 US. They paid for the light. And you could buy some better brand lights for starting at about $50 to $55 new. So I would not recommend this light if you're buying it for full price. But if you get it for $20 and you don't get the warranty, and as long as you don't take this battery out, now you just keep recharging it until battery dies, then maybe replace it. it was only like 7 or 8 times I opened this and it stripped out. So you've got, if you don't replace this battery, you got the battery life, and then you could replace the battery 7 or 8 times before the flashlight falls apart on you. Yeah, the rest of it's a pretty nice flashlight. And that's this review of the Braun folding LED rechargeable flashlight.